sheltering out in the barroom night. Enter Patty Valentine from the upper hall. She sees the bartender in a pool of blood. Cries out, my God, they've killed them all.
Here comes the story of the hurricane. The man the authorities came to blame
for something that he never done. Put in a prison cell, but one time he could have been the champion of the world. Three bodies lying there as Patty sees, and another man named Bello moving around mysteriously. I didn't do what he says, and he throws up his hands. I was only robbing the register. I hope you understand.
I saw them leaving, he says, and he stops. One of us had better call up the cops.
And so Patty calls the cops, and they arrive on the scene with their red lights flashing in the hot New Jersey night. All along the watchtower, princes kept the beat. All the women came and went, barefoot servants too. Outside in the distance, a wildcat did around. Two riders approaching, now the wind began to howl.
When a cop pulled over to the side of the road, just like the time before and the time before that.
Patterson, that's just the way things go. If you're black, you might as well not show up on the street unless you want to draw the heat.